Gotta get the key. Let me on. Yeah, I'd like to place an order.
What'd you like?
Yeah, I'd like 3 orders of garlic chicken. And then 3 orders of white rice. And then... Oh, hey, you guys want soup? Sure. Yeah, 3 orders of wonton soup. Oh, some fortune cookies too.
And then?
I think that's about it.
And then?
No, that's it.
And then?
No, and then. That's all I want.
And then?
And then nothing else. I'm done ordering. Okay.
And then?
No. See, all I want is the 3 orders of the garlic chicken and the 3 orders of the white rice. And the soup, dude. Oh, and the wonton soup.
And then?
And the cookies fortune. And the fortune cookies. Yeah. So it's just the chicken, the rice, the soup, and the fortune cookies. That's it. And then you can put it in a brown paper bag and come put it in my hand because I'm ready to eat. I refuse to play your Chinese food mind games. No! No and then! 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 This sucker pissed me off. I'm gonna come in there and I'm gonna put my foot in your ass if you say Titan again!